totoo lang yung safer environment na walang toxic, walang gulo, walang aberya, ganon. Para naman sa akin, ang safer places, mabigyan lang ng tama at sapat na pangangalaga sa mga people with autism, especially lalo na sa mga nangangailangan.
A safe space for people with autism allows them to freely express themselves without fear of judgment. Within this safe space, people with autism can
What a
flourish.
safe place is like for people with autism, such as myself. One is where a person with autism will get to spend quality time in this kind of safe place, especially with people they love and those na talagang mapagkakatiwalaan nila.